Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Beatmaker Pro on your mobile device and start making beats. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on whatever device you're using and simply search for Beatmaker. And now as you can see, it's going to show up right over here on the first, which is going to be Beatmaker Pro. Simply click on Get icon and then verify yourself. It's going to download and install onto your device in like 5 to 10 seconds. So let's just go ahead and wait for that. You can create, mix, and play in seconds with this application. Simply go ahead and click on open. And now this is where you can create an account or even log in if you already have one and start making music. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.